What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel and checking out another review. Tonight's review is not going to be particularly about beard care products, but cleanser products. A company out of New Jersey called the Lavish Gentleman. Stay tuned.
Yeah, no, no, yeah, no.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for coming back and checking out another product review. Tonight's review is going to be a little different, a little off of the beard care products, but on to cleaner type products for your skin. A company called the Lavish Gentleman out of New Jersey has sent me a few of their cleaner products. I had done another product review on other types of products a few months back, and these I want to say they work the same, if not a little bit better, but it might be just because of one of the products that they did send me. Like I said, it's called the Lavish Gentleman, and they sent me a oil cleaner, a moisturizer, and a mask type product. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted up a picture of me in it, and it actually works. Like, I was skeptical at first. I see all these women do it. Never thought that a guy could do it, but I took the plunge. She wanted me to help her, or she wanted me to do it with her rather, and it's like, heck yeah. So, and I think after I did that, the owner from Naughty Pine posted up a picture of him actually doing the same thing. So, rock on, brother. But anyway, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Plenty of content to come. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos I've done in the past. I've done all sorts of products, mainly beard products, of course, but so let's get right into this. The first one that I use is the oil cleaner, and it's got a pump action top. Get a little closer, and it's weird because when you put it on, when you put it in your hands, it's like an oil. I'll show you here in a minute. It's like an oil, and it's like a beard oil. It's a great example. It's like got real thick consistency, and it's when you rub it on your face, it just doesn't seem like it would clean it at first. But I started to notice a change in my skin for the good after about 5 times using this. And the directions are: apply directly to dry skin and gently massage. Rinse with warm water using a cloth or pad. And I use one of those little face washer type things. Cruelty free, made in the U.S. And I have the product information here. 100% natural oils. This oil cleaner is a dynamic combination of all natural oils that cleanses skin without leaving behind a greasy residue. In turn, the skin appears nourished, smooth, and bright. This product is formulated with 10 naturally derived oils that work together to deeply restore and maintain moisture. Its clarifying and detoxifying properties also make for the perfect makeup remover. I don't wear makeup. Get that out of there. I don't wear makeup. Its high antioxidant content helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while providing a natural defense against environmental stressors. The result will leave skin plump, radiant, and incredibly renewed. And it does exactly that. I mean, my skin felt really good, really nice, really soft. Gently remove dirt, oil, sunscreen, and makeup. Visibly smooth fine lines and youthful glow. Moisturizes and leaves skin clean and soft. The ingredients that are in these are marula oil. The easily absorbed oil softens, nourishes, and revitalizes skin. And the rosehip oil, antioxidants combat damage. White vitamin A improves tone, texture, and pigmentation. And the formula is castor oil, apricot oil, sweet almond oil, Argania spinosa, jojoba, avocado oil, rosehip oil, orange, wheat, and vitamin E oil. So all natural oils, all good for your skin. And the consistency of this, I'm not going to waste it because it's good stuff. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's like a real thick consistency. And it smells, it smells citrus. I'm going to wipe this off of my pants because since it's a cleaner, it's, I don't want to leave cleaner on my body. It smells like a citrusy type scent. It's real pleasing to the nose. Don't stink. It doesn't smell like cleaner. But all in all, it does what it's supposed to do. And that's the oil cleaner. And after you're done doing your cleaning, drying of your skin, you use the moisturizer. And that's the moisturizer. And these are, the oil it's a 1 ounce bottle. This is a 2 fluid ounce. Cruelty free, made in the US, non-toxic. And the formula in this, the key ingredients I should say, is aloe vera, soothes and revitalizes moisture-starved skin, chamomile, a natural herb that helps soothe skin and protects against free radicals. The formula, water, I'm not going to sit here and try to read all this. I'll let you guys look at it. Let's see what, get that real close. If you guys want to pause the video, it's a really good moisturizer. Apply liberally to any time skin needs a moisture boost. Like I said, it's a great moisturizer for the skin. All day moisturizer. Easy non-stop hydration with this powerful daily face moisturizer. The fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula will instantly hydrate and quench skin regardless of type. The lightweight gel-based cream contains a clinically supported technology that helps skin create its own internal water source for continuous hydration, delivering 2 times the moisture boost by day's end. It then continues to hydrate for up to 72 hours even after washing and cleansing. The moisturizer is enriched with our unique Vitaplex blend, a powerful antioxidant combination of vitamins E, C, and B that will leave skin feeling supple and dewy, along with I don't know what that word is. Hyaluronic, I want to say, sorry guys, hyaluronic acid and aloe, which boosts the skin with needed hydration. This lightweight rose-scented cream is packed with humescent. What's that word?
2,000 years later.
Humectants and polymers that also help lock in moisturizer and smooth dull skin. I'll probably humectants, I want to say. Sorry guys. And the moisturizer, I really like this because it's not like a regular lotion. You put a lotion in, you rub it in, and you can actually feel this moisturizer working. And I don't know if you guys can see in there, but I mean it's like a really, really creamy type. It's a really creamy type consistency. And it works awesome. Your skin feels good, and you can tell it goes into your skin. It evaporates into your skin. It's really nice feeling too. I never really, in school I never really took care of my skin, and I would always be that guy. Hey, your pizza face, or I'd always get made fun of because I had pimples all over my face. Back then, I didn't really care. I was in school, whatever. But today, all these products that I use, it's really mind-boggling that I didn't do this before. Just really good for the skin. I know a lot of you guys are like, "Oh, it's common sense. Duh, you need to take care of your skin." But back in the day, I didn't even care. But anyway. The next one is, of course, the charcoal mask. And that's exactly what it is, the charcoal mask. And this one, this one's pretty neat. When I put it on and it starts to dry, you can actually feel the tightness of your skin tightening. It was really weird. It was like the first time I've ever done that. And I ain't gonna lie, guys. If you're a guy and you don't do this, or you haven't done this, or haven't tried it, don't knock it until you tried it. I'm glad I got this. It says to do it twice a week, and it's really good stuff. Detoxifying charcoal mask with 3 clays and activated charcoal. Masks are one of the hottest trends in the beauty industry. The powerful combination of charcoal and 3 triple action clays will leave your skin smooth, naturally exfoliated, and enriched. The indulgent formula acts as a magnet to capture deep-set impurities and toxins, while most masks tend to dry skin. This combines the powerful technology of another one of them words, lecithin, something like that, which acts as a humectant.
What? What? No. What? What?
Humectant, something like that. Sorry, guys. To retain moisture and provide the nourishment skin needs. The outcome will leave your skin feeling revigorated with a healthy glow. This formula is paraben, sulfate, BHT, and talc-free, combining science and nature's most potent ingredients. Sorry. Gently cleanses stressed, polluted skin, eliminates oils and dirt while reducing pores, leaves face feeling refreshed and radiant, and it definitely does that. The key ingredients are activated charcoal, removes surface impurities and toxins from the skin. Kaolin clay eliminates excessive oil using its natural absorbent properties. In the formula, again, it's got a lot of words. See if you guys can read that. But I've been using these products for a while, and I can really tell the difference. I feel if I don't do this at the end of the day or the beginning of the day, you can definitely tell it in my face. And this is the charcoal mask. And this stuff, let's see if I can do this. I'll put it on my wrist, my hand, and I did that to my face, and it says about 15-20 minutes for it to dry, and then actually you wash it off with warm water. But like I said, I've been using these products for a while now, and I can really tell the difference. There's no gimmicks. There's no this will make you have a brand new face. This is legit cleanser, good cleanser stuff, good cleansing products rather. Lavish Gentleman, and that's, you can see. I mean, it's not dry yet, of course, but like I said, you guys out there that use beard oil, if you never tried a detox mask or a charcoal mask, don't knock it until you've tried it, because once you try it and you use these type of products on your face and you feel the complete difference in your face, you're gonna stay with that product and keep using that product because it just works so good. Again, thank you to the Lavish Gentleman for sending me out these cleaning products. They work really awesome. For you guys that do use these type of products, I'll leave all their information down in the description box below. Check them out. I don't know the prices right off the top of my head, but I don't think they were that expensive. But these products really work good. I use them faithfully, and if I don't, I can tell, and it drives me crazy. But thank you guys for sticking around for another product review. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you guys have a good night. Until the next video, guys. Peace. See ya.